Hey, welcome back, guys, to Nature's Therapeutic, and this is part 2 of Reynolds Nature Park in Miami, Florida, the city of Aventura. And we are walking the trails. And thus far, this has been a wild trail. On the first video, there was actually chickens. Never seen chickens before on the trail, folks. But there was actually chickens on the trail. And a raccoon that ran. This is definitely like a place Bigfoot would be at. But I don't think he's here today. I didn't see his yellow school bus out there. I don't know if you guys know, but I finally figured out how he's been getting around. He has a yellow school bus. And it almost looks like the Magic School Bus. So watch out, folks. He's been riding around with his family, him, little Bigfoot, and his sisters. And this is how he's been moving around all through the states, from city to city, to state to state. You see a yellow school bus, it might not be the school bus for the kids, folks. This is how he's been moving around. I'm telling you, nobody believes it but me. I've seen it for myself. He goes to parks, he pulls over, and they run in the woods. This is probably what he's been doing, and he's probably gotten pulled over a couple times and choked the hell out of a couple state troopers. Be careful, folks. That's all I can tell you. All right, going up and down this hill. This has been a wild trail. Really wild. I am going to go back and show you guys the brick building, and from there I am going to end this video, folks. This is not going to be a long video. There are trails here all over. Some capped good, some not. You just have to choose your own trail. That looks like another trail over there taking off. Other than that, folks, this place is beautiful. They have a playground area for the kids. There are people picnicking. I'm stepping out the woods over to the park area. Other than that, there is wildlife out here. And trust me, you're going to see more wildlife at the places that's really not kept all the way 100. And what I mean by that, when you have idiots right here that throw trash on the ground. KFC, somebody left. You know, you got animals that's going to eat that, so they're going to be around. I'm sure groundskeepers keeping to get that, because this is an active area. It looks like that's just been freshly thrown, probably 2 days right there, a day. Nice little play area for the kids. Like I said, folks, they have plenty of different trails. Right. Anything up there? Oh. Yeah. Let me go up here and see what's going on up here. Let me see what's in here, folks. Oh, this leads to just the other side. This is pretty cool. Pretty cool. This leads to the other side, that's all. The other side of the park, folks. Okay, you need a picnic, drag one out. You need a picnic table, here they are. And this leads to the other end of the building, I think, with the fence right here. This looks like somebody actually stayed next door to this place. This looks like a house. Yeah, that looks like somebody's house. I'm gonna go back around. This place is huge. Thought maybe you can walk around the other end, but it doesn't go any farther. So I'm gonna take the trail back around. I'm not gonna take the chance and go that way because I don't know where that leads to. So I'm gonna walk right back through the brush in a rush and see if I can catch the magic school bus. Let's see if Bigfoot pulled up in his bus yet. Oh, this is a steep hill. It was kind of a little eerie going up, but I think it's a little bit more wilder going down because you actually probably can slip on one of these leaves. Yeah, and take a nice roll to that concrete. So make sure you bend down and backwards when you're walking. Remember, you bend down and you lean your back backwards when you're walking down hills like that. That's a tip from Boy Scouts. A lot cooler right here. Nice park area, guys. He's crying. Beautiful tree. Look at this beautiful structure, folks. Beautiful structure. It looked like some of the Aztecs built. Very nice. All coil rock, it looks like. It's beautiful. People are actually walking up to the top. If you want to see that, my first video have that. There's no need for me to go back up there. I can show you guys from down here. If you want to see a walkthrough up there, go to part 1 of this video. With that being said, folks, I'm going to end this video in a minute and enjoy the rest of my walkthrough of this place. This place is beautiful. Very beautiful. A lot of historical things here, I noticed. Lots of it. As always, nature is therapeutic. And you guys have a nice day. I'm out of here.